Amazon's fees are going up. One fee that's going up crazily is their disposal fees. Their stuff to actually take things out of Amazon and then dispose of them for you. Okay, so if you've got slow selling stock that you, for whatever reason, just hasn't worked, the cost to get that out of Amazon and get it removed and disposed of is going to double on the 17th of January. So just over a week's time. So now is the time, if you have that situation, to get it the hell out of there. So I thought I'd quickly cover how to do that. And if you're not subscribed to this, you really ought to get onto it. There you go. Boink. But here's some solutions for you to get it out of there, okay? So to get it out of there and to look up if you're going to sell it. So I'm going to give you 3 different solutions. First solutions are going to be, this is only for Amazon in the USA. First solution is to get it out and put it into a 3PL, third-party logistics company. Pretty simple. You can take it into them. So here are, according to members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, some 3PL companies that are really, really good. Atlantic Fulfillment is very, very good. And what you want to think about is, where is the stock being held? Like, which warehouse is the stock being held at? And what is the closest 3PL to that location? Okay, so that way you can reduce your costs to get it from Amazon's warehouse to your 3PL. Gulf Shore, also very, very good. Gulf Shore Logistics, Net Direct Distribution, also very, very good. So there's 3, and they're all over the place. Very, very good 3PL companies, okay, according to you guys. Other option is to take it out of there and put it into a warehouse and then just figure out what to do with it later. Okay, so that's another way that you can handle this, is just to, I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to put it into a 3PL because for whatever reason, I don't want to go through the process of having it in FBM. I don't want to try and relaunch it, something like that. I'm just going to take it out, put it into a warehouse, and then figure it out. Well, these guys have got warehousing all over the place. And in my experience, they're some of the cheapest warehousing you can get, okay? Especially for what we do with regards to e-commerce selling, okay? Warehouse Republic, very, very good. Now, you might be thinking, no, I'm done with it. I just want to liquidate it and get back whatever I can for the stock. And if that's your situation, like I made a mistake, I for whatever reason, the product didn't work, I just want to be done with it, get back what I can, and move on, then the company I use for that is liquidation.com. And they will typically give you, depending on what you've got, between 10 and 20 cents on the dollar, which is not great, but it's better than nothing. And in my experience, the mental bullshit that goes along with trying to figure out how to put lipstick on a pig versus just kind of starting again and doing it differently, my belief is it's better to just kind of start again and do things differently if you're in that situation specifically. Okay, so 17th of January, that's when things are going to double in fees. If you're in the situation where you've got to get stuff out, or you've got a product that's really, really not selling for whatever reason, you don't want to invest in it, get it out, do something else with it. That's 3 great options.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.